Hey friends and family, welcome back to my another video. Right now I'm going to teach someone. Actually I'm going to my tuition, and right now the weather condition of area is not suitable. Actually it's a rainy day, and it has been raining since morning. Actually not since morning, it has been raining from last few days, and it is uh, going on. And I can say that raining is not সুইটেবল অর রোমান্টিক ফর এভরিওয়ান। ইটস পার্সন টু পার্সন ভেরি করে। বৃষ্টি অনেকের জীবনে দুর্দশা বা দুর্ভোগ নিয়ে আসে, আবার অনেকের কাছে ইটস লাইক রোমান্টিক অ্যান্ড সুইটেবল ডে। ইট ক্যান বি very person to person. Actually I'm going to my tuition, and right now I feel sleep, but I have to go. There is no another way to escape my tuition because my students exam is coming. That's why I have to go right now, and there is no another option without taking umbrella if you want to go outside of your room. So you have to carry an umbrella if you want to go outside of your room, because it's raining almost every single time, and this is the thing. And if you want to go outside, you have to carry an umbrella, otherwise you will be face a difficult situation. And right now I want to show all of you the right situation of the road. It is totally damaged with rain, and there is no another way to go my students home without facing this problem. So that's why I have to face this kinds of bad situation, and but I'm ready to face any kinds of situation because I have to go there anyway. And if I want to share some experience about tuition journey, I have lots of experience in my tuition journey. In there have lots of suitable memory, and as well as there have also bad memory, bad experience. It doesn't matter, but every single day we are learning something new from every single sector. We should learn every single day. It can be from your family, from your society, from your school, college, university. It can be anyone, but you have to learn every single day. And today we can learn a new vocabulary. That means we can learn a new word. The word is drizzle. The spelling is that DRIZZLE, drizzle. And the meaning of the word is ঝিরি ঝিরি বৃষ্টি. That means গুড়ি গুড়ি বৃষ্টি. So we can learn the vocabulary. We should learn vocabulary every single day. It can be one word or two words, but we should continue this learning process. And the sky is almost cloud. It's like gloomy, and also the day is gloomy day, and it is really uncomfortable day we are facing. So it's not easy day for dealing every activities. So guys, now I have to give some time to my students. So after 1 hour I will come back to my mess. So now I will come back with a new video. Then still away and stay with happiness. Have a good day. Allah Hafiz.